Hey everyone, this is Christian Moon, and I am the sales engineer on the Zmanda team. In this video, I'm going to be demoing how to install the Zmanda Pro Windows client, and it's a super simple process, so let's just jump right into it. So first, after logging into your admin portal, you'll come down to the Download Client Software page. You can go ahead and click on the Windows Any CPU button, and it'll immediately start to download a zip folder with the executable inside. So I already did that. I've already extracted it as well. So let me double click on the extracted folder, and I can just double click on the install.exe, and this will proceed to install the client. Of course, it'll ask you for user access control, and then it'll run you through a wizard, which I'll show you here in just a second. So here's the installer. We'll go ahead and click the language that we want to use, which in this case is English, and it'll take us through the rest of the steps. Basically, it'll just give us terms of service really quick. We can agree to that, and then install directory. It'll go through the installer. It's super fast. And once that's done, we'll be given a login page. So just as a reminder, the login you will use is a user account. So as a prerequisite, you do need to create a user account first. So you can use any of these guys. If you need to add a user, you can do so here. Just give it a username and password, and you'll be good to go. And let me do that just for the sake of this demo. So demo user2, I'll give it a password. Confirm, and click save. Once again, we do recommend that you have one user per device. That's just the best way to maximize your performance. And okay, so we have our demo user 2. We can come back to the installer, finish, we'll launch Zmanda Pro, and then you can log in. So it'll give you a login prompt, which should come up in just a second. So here's the login prompt. We'll put in our demo user 2, the password we just created, and sign in. It'll ask you for the name of this device. It'll automatically detect the host name, but you can make it whatever you want. And you can register. So once the device is registered, the UI will appear on the device itself, and everything you can do from this UI you can also do from the admin console here. So if I come over to the devices page, I should now see that my device has been registered, and we can see that here, demo user 2. It uses a unique ID at first, but with time it will update to the name I just gave, and that's it. That's how you install the Windows client software. If you have any questions, please let us know. If you need to contact sales, you can reach us at sales@zmanda.com. And if you have any support inquiries, feel free to contact support@zmanda.com. We have documentation down in the description, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.